28 feathers. This pile here, and I noticed a little bush behind me, a few piles, that gives me suspicion that there might be a feral cat in the area. Well, I'll take a bit of pussy too. Wow. Did not expect that. I'm glad it was a cat because it was coming in around the wrong side of the wind. Again, didn't need the second barrel, but hey, put it in there to make sure. Did not expect that. This goes to show you just never bloody know. Look at you. Yeah, look at you, mate. You got outdone. Puss puss. Ah, well, go the silver fox whistle way. Awesome. More evidence, same as before, 28 feathers. That must have been that cat's staple diet. You're at 28 squawking over that bush over there. I think the wind's against me. Don't think I can do a call. That better be on concrete. Fucking hell, the best shot I've done all week. I did have another one over the paddock there trying to come in, but I think he spotted me under the tree and he was like out of here as soon as I started trying to call again. Amazing their eyesight, absolutely amazing. Anyway, I'll take this one as a success. I had a suspicion there was a fox in here because I saw one running here yesterday. Go and check him out, get a photo time, then I might go home. Fox and a pussy is a good thing today. Not a female, is it? Yeah, it is too. One shot, mate. Take that. Love it. Yeah. Look at that. Pellet hole, pellet hole. Yeah, pellet hole, pellet hole. No way she was going to survive that. Awesome. Another one down.